Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. Today we want to practice bar chords, and just to remind you that there are previous videos that has been done. This is a recap on our beginner tutorial series course, so you might want to take a look at it if maybe you've missed something. So just to move on, we are going to learn the A and C shapes. So if you don't know the A chord and the C chord, there's no way you're going to understand this tutorial. But just for you, so you know, the A, we learned it in the previous tutorial as this. So you realize that all three notes are on the same fret. All three fingers are supposed to be on the same fret. So the bar chord comes in, if you remember how we did the F, we know that F was shifted from the E major. So if I move one, the problem is coming from this string, the first string, because if I try and bring this guy, so I think it's sounding much better in key. So we want to maintain these three notes at the same time, play this note and maybe the A part, the A sharp. So since we've moved one, we are moving A sharp. So my style is to put the ring finger on the three notes. It's quite difficult, but some people prefer to use middle, ring and pinky. It works, but I think a problem will arise when you get here. So maybe you just try to put your fingers on this, so the bar and this guy. But you will face problems with the first string because sometimes your ring finger will interfere with it. It's pretty difficult, but keep on practicing and I believe you get it. So you realize that when I'm at C, it's the same as C. So keep practicing until you don't hear those notes. Like, yeah, it's quite tedious, but with practice you become perfect. And as much as possible, try and practice each and every day. Yeah. So I'll go straight to the C shape. So if you remember C, since we are moving one, just like we did for the A, if you are going to use the middle ring like this in place of the index middle ring, you can do the same thing by sacrificing the index finger as the bar finger. Then instead of index middle ring, is now middle ring pinky. So that's C sharp. It's the same as if you are practicing the A shape and the C shape. You realize that we get this note. It's showing us that this one is it gives us a particular octave higher than this guy. Or you can bring your pinky to kind of play that. You can try it, but let's practice these shapes as much as possible. I know it's quite difficult, and most people prefer to rely on the couple, which I feel is not good. If you really want to learn the instruments, try and learn all the techniques that comes with it and all the sacrifices, the pain on the fingers. Yeah, trust me, I won't lie to you. You feel pains. You have to endure it. You endured so much pains as a child and you have grown. So there is nothing that you cannot go through. So thank you for watching this tutorial, and don't forget to give a like. If you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are interested in my content and you want to learn more, and leave in the comment section whatever you think and anything that you want me to clarify. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so that you'll be the first to see my videos. Thank you and see you next time.